Union, February, even to the middle of the night.
We as Indians owe a lot to the army of our country. These brave hearts are the reason we sleep peacefully at night. Fighting terrorism and illegal immigration, risking their lives for us, they are on guard night and day, come hail or storm. But how well do we know our Indian army? I can guarantee you, there's still so much you don't know about our men of steel. Today in this video, I will share some amazing facts about the Indian army, which will fill your heart with pride and respect. Let me first begin with a little history behind the formation of the Indian Army. The Indian Army is the second largest in the world after China, with a strength of over 1.4 million active troops. The history of the army of the country dates back to the early 16th century, when the Europeans like the French, Dutch, Portuguese and British settled in India as traders. The Indian Army originated from the armies of the East India Companies, which at last became the British Indian Army and the Princely States Army, which after its independence in 1947 merged into the National Army of India. Initially, the army's main objective was to defend the nation's frontiers. However, over the years, the army has also taken up the responsibility of providing internal security, especially against insurgencies in Kashmir and Northeast India. Now let's move to some of the fascinating facts about the Indian Army, which make it one of the best in the world. The Indian Army controls the highest battlefield in the world, the Siachen Glacier, which is 5,000 meters above the sea level. Siachen is important to India, Pakistan and China, as it is the center of Sakshagam Valley, Karakoram Pass and Aksai Chin. India must keep Siachen to prevent infiltration from Pakistan and China as well. At point NJ9842, the LOC between Pakistan and India ends, and this location is south-southwest of the Siachen Glacier. The Indian Army planned Operation Meghdut to control the glacier by April 13, 1984. Currently, the Indian Army remains the first and the only army in the world to have taken tanks and other heavy ordnance up to such an altitude, well over 5,000 meters or 16,000 feet. Up to 10 infantry battalions, each of the Indian Army and the Pakistan Army are actively deployed at high altitudes up to 6,400 meters throughout the region of the glacier. The Indian Army has the biggest voluntary military force in the world. When we say voluntary Indian military force, it means that many people in our country voluntarily want to be a part of the Indian Army and serve and protect the country. A country may offer attractive pay and benefits through military recruitment to attract potential recruits. Many countries with volunteer militaries reserve the right to renew conscription in the event of an emergency. The Bailey Bridge, the highest altitude bridge in the world, is built by the Indian Army. Located in the Ladakh Valley between Dras and Suru rivers in the Himalayan mountains, it is the highest bridge in the world. It was built by the Indian Army in August 1982. Indian Army is also one of the biggest contributors to the United Nations peacekeeping operations. Indian Army continues to play a lead role in United Nations peacekeeping, with presence in 8 out of 14 United Nations missions worldwide, and currently has over 5,400 military personnel deployed in challenging circumstances under the United Nations flag. Indian Army has large presence in United Nations missions in Democratic Republic of Congo, Lebanon, South Sudan, Golan Heights, Syria, Western Sahara, Abyei and Cyprus. The professionalism and gallant action by Indian peacekeepers have been recognized by the United Nations. India ranks 4th in the list of global firepower, next only to USA, Russia and China. The Global Firepower Index is a rating of the military forces of all the countries on the planet. It relies on 50 indices to fix the power index score, from weapon numbers to weapon diversity and natural resources, including available industries, to the workforce, financial stability, logistical capability, and geography. A Global Power Index rating of 0.000 is the perfect score, which no country so far has attained. The smaller the score value, the more powerful is the fighting capability. The GPI, however, does not take into account nuclear capabilities. As part of the Operation Rahat, the Indian Army evacuated many people in the massive floods in Uttarakhand. It was one of the biggest civilian disaster rescue operations ever carried out in the world. During the first phase of the operation from 17 June 2013, the IAF airlifted a total of 19,600 people, flying a total of 2,140 sorties and dropping a total of 3,82,400 kg of relief material and equipment. Air Vice Marshal S.R.K. Nair was the IAF coordinator on ground at Uttarakhand. The second phase of the operation, entailing support of long-term rehabilitation efforts in the hilly areas of Uttarakhand, started on 5th July 2013. The Indian Army's High Altitude Warfare School is considered as one of the most elite training centers in the world. The High Altitude Warfare School is a defense service training and research establishment of the Indian Army. In 1948, the Indian Army established a ski school in Gulmarg that later became the High Altitude Warfare School, which specializes in snowcraft and winter warfare. It is located in an area which is prone to avalanches. Selected soldiers from the US, UK, Germany and other countries visit regularly for specialist training. The Indian Army has never initiated the first attack or engaged in a military coup to gain power or govern a nation. In early 2022, the Defence Minister of India, Rajnath Singh, asserted that India, in its long history, has never invaded or tried to conquer another country. Prime Minister Narendra Modi had also said the same in 2016 in response to Pakistani terrorists' Uri attack. The presumption that India never attempted to colonize or conquer another nation is widespread in the country. On the other hand, the notion that India is one of the most invaded countries in the world is also true to some extent. These were all the amazing facts about the Indian Army which you needed to know. Indian Army Day is celebrated every year on 15th January in recognition of Field Marshal K.M. Cariappa becoming the first Commander-in-Chief of independent India. The Army Day is also dedicated to those who have sacrificed their life for the nation. If you like this video, then do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel One India. Thank you for watching.